on the fight against illicit killer brews, as well as narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. We have reviewed the progress that has been made by the teams here. Some progress has been made, but we believe there is a lot more that we can do to make sure that we eradicate this problem permanently this time round, because in the past, whenever we've tried to do this, we've done it for a few months and then we go back to factory settings. This time round, we've decided to sustain this war on a permanent basis, the way we have sustained the war on other serious national security threats. What these poisonous drinks, unhealthy drinks, drugs, and substances are doing is that they are destroying the best of our population. They are making our young people unproductive socially and economically. They are making crime levels even go high. And I want to here confirm that actually since we began the crackdown nationally on 7th of March, there has been a sharp decline on reported crime statistics across the country, meaning there is a link between the drug problem, the illicit alcohol problem, and crime levels. So we want to secure our country, but we also want our people to engage in productive activities.
Now, atongoria ngũrani a mwahũ wa Azimio